Hey y'all, it's Logan and welcome to my channel. So you can probably tell by the title of this video that I will be bringing you guys along for moving out of my uni house. So I'm in my fourth and last year at uni, which is pretty crazy. And so I'm now having to put a bunch of my stuff into storage, and I can say I've accumulated a lot of stuff over the years. So it should be interesting having to like pack it all and figure it out. I have a few like different boxes and stuff that I've ordered, so I'm doing it with Student Storage Box. And so I have 8 of these kind of like standard size boxes and then 2 larger ones. So like this is the standard. You can, it literally says it. So it folds here and then like around here. So I've already started boxing up just a few things. I've been putting some of the littler things into smaller boxes to then put into the big boxes. But yeah, I just thought I'd bring you guys along for the process. I will probably just be like watching stuff whilst doing it, bring you guys along and figuring out how much I need to pack. I also have a large suitcase, a medium suitcase, and then a carry-on suitcase. So those I'm probably gonna be like bringing around with me. Should be interesting, and hopefully I'll figure it all out. I don't actually know kind of where the next step is for me, but right now I need to focus on just getting all of my stuff packed up. I'm gonna be moving out in about 2 weeks, but I'm also going away to Mallorca as well, so I don't know if this video is gonna be posted before or after that, but if there's not a post about it yet, then it'll probably be like next week or something. I think that's about it. I'm gonna just start making up a couple of the boxes. Hope you guys enjoy. It is pretty crazy, almost being done with uni. So yeah, this is kind of just like sealing the deal for finishing up in uni. Packing up my room. Today's actually the next day. In total I'm gonna have like 10 days of packing stuff. But what I've done is this backpack here, I've actually filled it up with a bunch of clothes that I'm wanting to keep, but I don't necessarily need them right now. I'm just gonna pop the backpack into this box right here, as well as maybe some other clothes like some sweatshirts, hoodies and stuff, and that could be like a clothes box. The thing is, with all of the boxes, I'm not fully closing them. There has to be a piece of paper that goes inside each of them, which I'm pretty sure kind of says what's in all of them. So if I do decide to take out some of the clothes and pack them or bring them back home with me to leave them at home, I could do that as well, but that's currently the plan. Just put this backpack into the box, and also I have some sweatshirts in that box up there, which I'm also gonna add as well. So I just got back from a trip. I went to Mallorca, but I'm finally back and packing up my room. The people who are collecting the boxes are currently set to come in about a week. So I have a week to pack my room, which should be enough time. I mean, I've done it in like an all-nighter before. That was in my first year. Though I do have a lot more stuff, so I can show you kind of what I've done so far. I've been reorganizing my room just to make room for myself to actually pack. So today I was gonna put a few more things in some boxes and then start thinking about what clothes and stuff I'm gonna bring in my suitcases, which I'll be traveling around with. So I'm gonna be bringing some stuff back to Bermuda when I visit this summer. So what I'm thinking of doing is I have 2 big suitcases. and a carry-on suitcase. Yeah, I'll bring you guys along for some of the packing. I need to kind of make more of my boxes. I only have 2 that I've actually made and packed, so yeah, but I'm gonna be spending pretty much most of the day today just packing. I'm also putting things on my laptop to watch as well whilst doing that, just so I don't get too bored. So yeah, but I'm just gonna keep packing and bring you guys along for the process. So I do have quite a lot of clothes. I've gathered them over the years, and I'm a bit of a hoarder, so I'm not really the type of person to throw them away. And I normally like to wear clothes to the fullest. I do have a lot of clothes. I'm gradually kind of going through a little bit of a wardrobe change-ish, but I kind of always look at my clothes and see how many outfits I can wear with it, how many times I've worn it in the past, how many times I think I'll wear it in the future. And most of the pieces of wardrobe or kind of clothes that I've bought are more staples, so things that I could dress up and dress down. But I'm gonna keep organizing my clothes. I need to actually put on some laundry because, as I said, I just got back from vacation yesterday. So I need to do that and start figuring other stuff out and how I'm gonna fit all my clothes into the storage. I still have 7 boxes left to fill up, though I can still potentially rearrange the ones that I already have as well. So in here I have my main yoga mat. I was thinking of just trying to pack it at first. If it doesn't fit, then I can just carry it around. And then I have kind of 2 packing cubes so far filled with clothes. And then these are the shoes that I'm going to be leaving out. So I have a pair of heels because I'll need them for graduation. I need to give them all clean. I have my trainers, my Tevas, and then I have 2 pairs of Converse because I like to interchange them. Then also my hiking boots down here. Here are some of the clothes that I'm wanting to put into storage. Some of the things I also might give away. I currently have a giveaway pile as well. But I'm gonna try packing these kind of within other boxes as well, just to kind of spread everything out. And then here are the shirts that I'm hopefully gonna be packing with me. It's quite a bit, and I think there are some that I'm not sure that I wear very often, so I might actually put them away or put them into storage depending on my space. But this is kind of what I've organized so far for shirts. And then this is like bathing suits and sports bras and stuff like that. And then I also remember that I have this dress, so I need to pack that as well. And then here's a few more things that I'm hoping to put into storage. Right, so I've just put like a few of my sweatshirts and my backpack into the box. But now I just remembered that I had this massive Sanos bag on top of my wardrobe as well. So I'm just gonna sort through it, throw away some of the stuff that I don't need, and then maybe organize some of the stuff that I'm planning on keeping into some smaller boxes and go from there. So yeah. currently this is kind of what I have done so far. So these are the boxes that the storage companies are going to take. So then I kind of have to pack these littler boxes within to here and stuff. Some of these are like actually empty right now that I need to fill up. And I've also put to the side like some books and stuff that I've collected over the years, and yeah. So that's things like uni notes, kind of papers that I've gotten over the years. I have quite a few. Also, each of the boxes has a 25 kilogram limit, and so that means that I have to be kind of careful with what I'm putting in what. So I've been trying to spread out like my textbooks into different boxes or my papers into different boxes and putting them with things that are a little bit lighter. So say I put like a textbook and a bunch of candles into one of the boxes, so then I also put like some scarves and some yarn, both my crochet yarn and stuff, into that box as well to even it out. I also think some of like my coats and stuff, I'll be able to do some evening out for it. So yeah. Hey guys, so I've packed up all of my boxes, which are right out here, which I can show you in a minute. I didn't film kind of the final processes of packing the boxes just because I was trying to like fit it all, and it was just getting a bit much trying to like film the packing process while packing. But now my room is almost empty. I just have my suitcases here, which I'm just kind of doing the final pack ups just to get everything out of the way so I know what I need to throw away, and then I'm gonna be cleaning my room. So yeah, that's kind of the plan. Clean my room and the rest of the house today. Hey guys, so today is the official day that I move out. I didn't also really film some of the cleaning process just because there was so much happening, and we were doing like a deep clean of the house yesterday, and I had to finish up packing and giving the people my boxes and stuff. But we are all finished and I'm gonna be leaving in about half an hour. So I'm just kind of doing final touches and cleaning, and then my housemate is actually upstairs vacuuming a room right now. But yeah, it is pretty crazy. Like, the room is empty. I have all my stuff there. So I have my 3 suitcases and my backpack, which everything is full, but also all my storage boxes were full as well. So yeah. But I am getting a coach to London. I'm gonna be staying with my sister for a night, and then I'm going to stay with some family friends for a couple of weeks before going on holiday. So over the next few weeks, I'm just gonna be hanging out in London, doing a bunch of things. Might do a couple day trips around the UK, and yeah. And then I will be traveling as well around Europe. So I have a trip planned. So stay tuned for that. So yeah, if you wanna stay tuned for some of my traveling and my summer, feel free to subscribe. I will finish up this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed.